Hello friends, hopefully you all will be fine. Today I got a new mining website for all of you. You can mine here a lot of things. Now I am going to go show you how you can sign up on this website. Click on registered and you can see here you have to put your username, the email, and you have to put double password in the black space and fill up this captcha and click on sign up. You can sign up on this website very easily and freely. I am going to log in on this website and tell you everything in detail. Fill up the captcha and now sign up on this website easily. You can see here we have three options: SHA-256 script and Ethash. You can mine SHA-256 freely without deposit on this website. You can mine Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Dash, or Indetron. If you want to mine in a script, you can mine Stellar, Litecoin, Dogecoin, Zcash, and Ethash, Ripple, and Ethereum. If you want to mine in script and Ethash, you have to deposit on this website. Then you can mine these coins, cryptocurrency coins very easily. If you want to purchase these mine mega hash rate power, you have to click on purchase. Here you have to select your wallet address. If you want to use your Bitcoin wallet, then you have to put your here required amount. Then you have to click on purchase mining power. You will see how much you can take your gigahash power by investing these 4,450.34 Bitcoin on this website. Now I am going to show you. You can, if you want to script and it, you have a lot of things to mine here. After purchasing these gigahash rate power, now we have wallet address. If you want to deposit or withdraw, you can see every wallet here. You can see that if you want to take withdraw on Bitcoin, you have to click on withdraw. Then you have to deposit here minimum amount you can take withdrawal. You can check minimum amount by from FAQ button. You have to put here your wallet address, then click on withdraw. Friends, I already have withdraw 150 TRX on this website without deposit. I mine this cryptocurrency without deposit on this website freely. How much take this time, I will tell you in next video. If you want to increase your mining speed without deposit on this website, then you have to click on referral button. You can see I have 5868 referral on this website. Then you can go to here your referral link. You have to copy this link and share it with your friends. If other friends click on your link and join this website, you can get gigahash power and freely. When you join this website, you will get 5 USDT in the form of gigahash power welcome bonus. If you want to check your how much minimum you have, how much minimum you can take your withdraw on this website, you have to click on FAQ button. Then you can see here what is the minimum amount you can take your withdraw on this website. You can see everything, every Bitcoin over here, every cryptocurrency over here that you can mine on this website. You can see is there any commission by taking withdraw over here, how much quickly withdrawal request proceed. You can see withdrawal request proceed in 48 hours and or 30 minutes. Friends, hopefully you like my video. If you like my video, then give me a thumb button. I will bring more video for all of you. This type of cryptocurrency website you can mine a lot of money. Friends, if you have any query, any question, you can ask me in the comment section. If you like my video, then give me a thumb button. If you want more video in future, then you have to subscribe my channel so that and click the bell icon button so that you will get notification of my video in future.